So guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point. Now record an empty background for a few seconds. I wanted to shoot a video. This guy just had to run in. So I said, let me just use him for the content. So if you have somebody, you can use anybody to run like this. When you are done with this, you can still in that same recording, you walk in and then punch the A, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So when you are done with all these ones, you can now save the videos to your gallery and then head over to CapCut. You get my point? Now on CapCut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. Understand? We recorded an empty background. Tap on the video layer, click on split. Now go and look for overlay. Where is overlay? Now click on overlay. So drag it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? Now tap on the ending part of the first layer, then go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? Where is freeze now? See freeze. Yes. So guys, click on freeze. So you can now tap on the frozen layer, then drag it to the end of the video. So guys, please like and share this video, comment if you have any issue. You get my point? Now tap on the second layer, because this is how you want the video to start. You have to split and then delete the beginning of the second layer. You get my point? Then you will have to drag this other part here to the beginning of the video. Guys, please take your time, watch this video so you'll be able to do the same thing. You get my point? Click on add overlay and import the other video you were punching, the one you were punching. Just bring it here to CapCut. You get my point? So what you will do from here is, from how you want the video to start, you will have to tap on the video layer. Now tap on split, then delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? Now you can drag this one towards the beginning of the video. Something like this. Guys, like and share this video. Now split and delete the ending part of the layer. So what you have to do next is to remove background. So like I said, I'm using CapCut features for free. So you will have to tap on this layer. Now go to remove BG, click on auto removal. You get my point? So look at it here. You get my point? So the background is removed completely. Click on OK and place 2 fingers on your screen to expand the character to fit the screen. You get my point? Something like what you see on your screen right now. So what you need to do is to go towards the beginning of the video. Make sure you set it so it will align where the other character is jumping and where your hand is hitting the other character. You should understand what I'm talking about. So now you need to do the little adjustment right here. You are using this third layer, which is me here punching. This particular layer is what you are using for the adjustment. You get my point? So guys, we have weekly and monthly packages for those that want to learn video editing. I mean serious people that want to learn video editing. You get my point? So when you come, you register, you have my phone number in the description of this video. So from there you chat me. Please, WhatsApp only. You chat me. You get my point? So at this point, what you do, you tap on the second layer. Understand? You click on split, because from this part you want the character to fly from here. So the next thing for you to write here, go to remove BG. Now click on remove BG and remove background. So when you remove background, this way you will be able to make the character to fly. Go high in the sky. Something like that. So now go and look for layer. Where is layer? Now click on layer. So you move it to the right. Just move it to the right side. Now you click on OK, so that your hand will be able to punch the character. So you add keyframe at the beginning of the splitted layer. You move the video a bit, so you add another keyframe. But I noticed that the character was too fast. The guy even had to jump before I punched him. So what you do right here is you tap on the layer. You do a little adjustment behind when the character is about to kick him or to punch him. Do a little adjustment. Now you come to this other layer here, you just drag it back to align. After the alignment, click on the second layer, undo the keyframe. Just undo the keyframe. You get my point? So when you undo the keyframe just like this, you just tap on that keyframe button to undo it. Now you go to speed, click on normal. So you reduce the speed a little. Understand? Just reduce the speed, maybe 0.6, just like what you're seeing on your screen. So you come back, it will be something like this. It should not be too fast like before. You get my point? So that's where you're gonna just tap on the layer, add keyframe at the beginning of it. Now you move the video a bit. When you move the video a bit, use your finger to drag the character up to the sky, just like what you see on your screen, and keyframe will be added automatically. So you can decide to make it smaller. You can place two fingers to make it smaller. When you reduce it to the size you want, then you can now add another keyframe. You move the video a bit, add another keyframe, then you swipe it to the sky. That's how you will have exactly what I did. You get my point? So let's see how it plays. So that's just it, guys. So the next thing for you right here is to tap on the ending part of the layer just towards here and adjust it, because we don't need, nothing is showing again from that layer. So you click on each of the layers and make sure they align together towards the ending part, and guys, you are good to go. When you're done with all these ones, you can now save your video to your gallery.